Hello, welcome to the Daily Poetry Project, and welcome to Reggie's Shadow. Hello, Reggie's Shadow.
Hello.
A winter poem by William Shakespeare. This is from As You Like It. It's called Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind. This is how it reads. Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green folly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere follow. Then hey ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that does not bite so nigh as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp as friendship remembered not. Hey ho, sing hey ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho, the holly. This life is most jolly.